right, y'all. I am here with that weekly vacuum video that I've basically promised. My Windsor Versamatic. So we're gonna go ahead and get this done. I know it's like 3 days ago since I vacuumed in here, but still, I vacuum every day basically. Here we go. Now, I know some people would think that I would daily this, but I don't, and there's a good reason for it. The bags are super expensive, and this thing is heavy. Like, I am gonna talk and vacuum, so. But yeah, I don't daily it because it's super heavy. And like I said, stuff's very expensive for it. I know a lot of people would like this. I mean, I like it too. But like I said, bags are expensive and so are the parts. So unless you can afford the stuff for it, I wouldn't get one if you can't, unless you plan on paying a lot for bags. We are gonna do the hallway and I'm gonna finish it up here. But yeah, this is just like a Sebo. Like I know some people kept telling me, hey, you should get a Sebo. Well, I basically have one. It's the commercial variant. Yeah, the pack of bags for this, and it only came in a 10, the only packs of bags I could get for this come in a 10 pack, and they're $40. Well, almost $40 for a pack of bags. So that's why I don't daily it, because there's a lot of cat hair, because my cats, Wayona's a ragdoll and Soren, she's a Siamese, and they both shed like crazy. So I don't buy that whole stuff that people like to go on about. Oh, they're very cost effective and all that. Yeah, they're good units, but stuff's just too expensive for them. That's why I haven't really been that adamant about getting a Sebo Felix. I know I mentioned, yes, I would like to get a Felix, but they just cost a lot to maintain and all that. So I'm glad I got this for like $7, or maybe it was $20. I don't remember. But I don't daily it because the bags are so expensive. I mean, they are pretty large. I will at least go ahead and say that. Like, they're large bags. It's just, they cost too much. But yeah, that's it for this video. I do like my Versamatic. It's just heavy and it's very expensive to keep bags for. So unless you can afford the bags and stuff, I don't suggest getting a Sebo or a Windsor. Like, if you want something that is a very high-end vacuum like this, I would get a Kirby or Miele or anything like that. Or if you really want the high filtration, a Rainbow. I know that's a Hyla, but they're basically the same unit. It's just this one, it works the water differently. But this is an old Rainbow, and it still works and is very effective. So these are good units as well. And they're very good at filtration. So yeah, nothing is too expensive for these, unless you really need some of the more vital parts. But overall, unless you can afford it, I don't suggest a Sebo. So like I said, that's it for this video. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. Like, I will do a bit more with this once I can afford the stuff, but still. Until next time, bye, y'all.